Hello everyone. Exactly 70 years ago, India became republic. It put up a constitution in place to foresee and plan for growth in the coming years. 70 years hence, we are here today in face of all oppositions, wars, issues, problems within, but we are still there and we are growing really strong. That is the spirit of India. Against all problems, we've been able to really grow and we're already on our way to becoming a superpower in the world, isn't it? It feels really proud. So on this auspicious day, we thought of starting a small series for startups, SMEs and mid-sized and growing companies to become a very powerful online brand. We face all problems. We have cash issues, we have customer issues, we have problems in processes, scaling up, all sorts of stuff, right? And if we get the real help, if we get real support from the community, then we can really grow together. And that's the idea of this series, which is called Quick Talk with a Moat. In this series, we're going to talk about those small niggling factors that hamper your business progress. Those small issues that can really prevent or prohibit you from scaling. Those small nitty-gritty issues which can hamper your back-end processes, the do's, the don'ts, the myths, and so many things, so many exciting things that we are going to talk about, which I'm sure is going to help the community. And we don't intend to make this a one-way traffic where we just talk and you listen. No, we would want every one of you to talk back to us, ask questions, provide suggestions, be critical of our comments and thoughts, because that we feel is the spirit of India, and that is unity in diversity, isn't it? Let's all grow together. Let's make India great. Jai Hind.